Hello kids, welcome to my video. Kids, first color name and 2-3 shapes drawing and color wheel. First color green color, pink color, light pink color, orange color, purple color, pink color, sky blue color, red color, brown color, yellow color and blue color. Shapes of drawing kids. Green color, hexagon, circle, pentagon, triangle, heart, star. It's color fill, hexagon, yellow color, light pink color, circle, light green color, pentagon, light green color, pentagon, black color, triangle, black color, triangle, red color, heart, sky blue color, star, sky blue color, star, hexagon, circle, pentagon, triangle, heart, star. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.